Hello everybody, Jonathan Doucette here at St.Albert Dodge. Appreciate you checking out the detailed walk around video of this brand new 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's the Overland trim level, so it's pretty much the pinnacle of the luxury versions of these vehicles. As you can see up front, beautiful chrome grille, chrome accents in the headlights, tow hooks, have your adaptive cruise control radar up there, and then you have your fog lights in the outside, parking sensors across the front, and lane departure. So it's got a full set of available safety features, blind spot monitoring, so there's a little amber triangles that'll glow amber in your mirrors if someone's in your way. If you want to merge, then if there's someone there, it's going to beep at you too. You do have the adaptive cruise, like I say, if you're doing 100 on the highway, someone's doing 80, it'll slow you down to match the speed, you pull out, it'll speed you back up. And then lane departure, it'll follow the lines in the road, and if you kind of drift out, it'll give you a gentle little nudge in, and then if you keep doing that, it's going to beep at you and say, put your hands on the wheel. Kind of say, smarten up, dummy. Do have beautiful Pirelli tires wrapped around 20-inch rims. Factory rims nowadays are so good looking like this one. You know, we do have aftermarket ones, but these things are absolutely spectacular. Do have keyless entry, so as long as your key's in the pocket, you can lock your truck, lock your Jeep, unlock it, and then even start it up as well too. Give a quick shot of the inside, very premium interior. The Overland's got lots of little creature comforts that aren't available in the other trim levels. So we'll go over those once we do the inside tour, but just kind of a sneak peek right now. Integrated roof rack, so you get the rails from Yakima or Thule, put a bike rack or a pod up there, lots of different options. In the back of the cargo hatch, you do have an option to keyless entry and use it down here, up in the front on the mirror, and then here is where on your key fob. Do you have the integrated 2-inch receiver, 7-way and 4-way flat, so it is a vehicle that's set up ready to tow. Beautiful subwoofer in the back, sounds really good. The Harmon Kardon system in here sounds fantastic. Cargo cover, so this is removable if you didn't want it, but you know, it's nice to have if you're going to the mall, keep your luggage in there, or wherever you're going, you're shopping. And then of course a full-size spare. Under here, not out underneath the elements, you're not trying to, you know, stick together this crank to crank down, have a drop down below, or mess around with that. And, you know, especially in the wintertime with salt and snow and everything up there, very easy. 12-volt receptacle back here, so if you have a portable cooler, plug it in, you know, have all your power for right there. Being a Jeep, this is the 80th year the Jeep brand's been around in one form or another, so you do have the pedigree and the capability to do a lot of off-roading, which we'll talk about up front, but you do have these cargo tie-downs. So, you know, if you were somewhere and you had something big or you had some cargo and you didn't want it sliding around, if you were to utilize this Jeep as a true Jeep in that fashion, then you can tie everything down, or if you had something that's tilting, you can, you know, secure it. So lots of usability there. Let's take a look in the back seat. Like I say, the 80th anniversary of the Jeeps. They've been around for a super long time, and which has made the Grand Cherokee the best-selling SUV in its segment. You know, they've had multiple generations of the same SUV. That's the highest owner retention of any SUV on the market. So if you've owned one, chances are you're going to own another, or you might be on your third or your fourth, or you know, if you're made it this far in the video, chances are you've got an 08 or a 2014 or something like that, and you're looking at upgrading. And you know, you're more likely than not, if you own one, you're going to own multiple. I think I repeated myself 3 times there. But back here, you have a very premium interior. You know, the leather in the Overland, it's called Natura Plus leather. It's very, very supple, very durable, very comfortable. You know, it's a great premium vehicle. Car seats on the outside, the anchors. So you put 2 car seats back here if need be. Collapsible rear seat, so the other side does as well too. But you have a fold down little platform here if you needed to put something large in here. And then also if you have a couple adults, no car seats, the back seats actually recline as well too. So you get a little more comfortable on a long road trip if so desired. And then you have the cup holders up here, heated seats. The outside ports are heated. 120 volt inverter, and then USB type C plug-in. So very handy, you got a fast charging phone. Very nice to have. Let's take a look up in the front area here. I could sit here and make a 35 or 40-minute video, go over every option in detail. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to bore you today, but you know, I'd be more than happy to work with you in person or send you more videos. But is adaptive cruise control. Your safety features are very handy. They streamline everything pretty well. I'm gonna just turn the accessory portion on here. I'm gonna make the keys fob. Gonna fire this up. 8.4-inch touchscreen. The Uconnect system is, in my opinion, one of the best. And I see a lot of used vehicles here. One of the best systems out there. Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, very crisp, clean, very easy to use. Sirius XM Guardian, so roadside assistance, SOS functionality. You get an app on your phone, start your vehicle from anywhere in the world. Yeah, heated, ventilated seats up front. 4 degrees and cooler. The driver's side steering wheel and seat, when you remote start it or plug it in, are going to turn on with the heat. I'll show you quickly here so you can. This is how you turn on. You get heated seats, ventilated seats. And then if it's 26 degrees and above in the cabin temperature, when you start your vehicle, the driver's side vented seat will come on as well too. Very handy. It'll actually self-park itself. So if you push that button, when you're in a parking lot, find a spot you want to park in, push it, it'll guide you with instructions on here, and then you can use your brake and your accelerator pedal to control your speed, and then the Jeep will steer itself into that spot. Very cool. 4-wheel drive system, automatic 4x4, always there, always working. Don't have to worry about turning it on. It's seamless, so when the seasons change, you don't even know that your 4x4 is kicking in. You do have the option to lock it in low, so if you're stuck or if you want to do some off-roading, you can put it in 4x4 low. You have hill descent control, so you're going down a steep hill while you're off-roading. It'll keep you locked at about 6 kilometers an hour. And then with the Overland, you have your 4-corner air controls over here as well too. So you can put it down into a very easy entry-exit mode. And then of course up to normal ride height, and then off-road 1 and off-road 2, which you can't be going too high speeds for the off-road settings. Like off-road 2, I think if you go over 20 kilometers an hour, something like that, 30 kilometers an hour, it'll drop you down. But it gives you a few extra inches of ground clearance. And I just want to showcase the panoramic roof. There we go, wrong side. So it'll slide back to the first position. You just push it one more time. And then I'm making a mockery of this here. But yeah, so to go all the way back, don't know what happened there. You have to sit in there. Anyways, regardless, very, very premium vehicle. Lots of safety features, lots of luxury features. Come down, have a look at it. 1155 St.Albert Trail in the beautiful city of St.Albert. If you've made it this far, please give us a like on our Facebook page. We always appreciate it. And stay up to date with all our latest sales and discounts, which this has quite a few rebates on at the moment. And yeah, hope to talk to you soon.